Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Everyday E-Learning. So this is the second video of our probability and statistics practice problems playlist, and in today's video we are going to practice a couple of problems from the topic events. So we have the following problem to complete first, and we are given the 5 outcomes and probability of A, and we are to determine the probability of B, A complement and D. So we see that probability of A here is given. So in order to find out B, what we can do is we can do the following: number A, so determine the probability of B, and we are given the total probability of A is equals to 0.27 and B comes inside A, so we can subtract the remaining probabilities from 0.27 to find out the probability of B. So in order to determine the probability of B, what we can do is 0.27 minus 0.11 minus 0.05. So we will get 0.27 minus 0.05. We get 0.11, which is the probability of B. Now we are asked to find out in number B the probability of a complement. So the formula for complement is 1 minus probability of A. Basically this is the base formula: probability of A plus probability of A complement equals to 1. Right, so we can subtract the probability of A, which is 0.27, so we get probability of A naught to be 0.73. right. Now the last one we are given to find out the probability of D is equals to what? All right, so in order to find out the probability of D, we can subtract the whole probability of A plus 0.29 plus 0.09 from 1, as we know that the probability of the whole rectangle is equals to 1. So let's do that. In order to find out the probability of D, what we can do is equal to 1 minus probability of A minus probability of small a minus probability of small f. So we are going to get 1 minus 0.27 minus 0.09 minus 0.29. So here we'll get 1 minus 0.27 minus 0.09 minus. So we get 0.35 as our desired answer. Now the second problem we have today is this one, which is a very basic probability problem. Here we are given that an investor is monitoring stocks from a company A and company B, where each either increases or decreases with each day. On a given day, that there is a probability of 0.38 both stocks will increase in price, and also probability of 0.11 that both stocks will decrease in price. Also there is a probability of 0.16 that the stock from company A will decrease and stock from company B will increase. All right, what is the probability that stock from company A will increase while the stock from company B will decrease? And the second part is, what is the probability that at least one company will have an increase in stock price? All right, so the problem is divided into two parts. We will at first note down the given information. Let's start. So here we are given that probability of both company having an increase, both increase is equal to 0.38, and probability of both decrease is given 0.11, and we are also given that the probability of company A decreasing and company B increasing is equal to 0.16. All right, these are the given informations we have. So we are first told to find out that probability of company A stock increasing and company B stock decreasing is equals to what? So we can find it out by subtracting the probabilities given above. So this is the remaining option that we have, that either both can increase or both can decrease, or one can increase and the other can decrease. So if we subtract the remaining probabilities from 1, we'll get this probability. So 1 minus 0.38 minus 0.11 minus 0.16. So subtracting that, we'll get 0.35. Fine enough. So this is our first answer. Now we are also asked to find that a probability of at least one company will have an increase in their stock price. So at least one company will have an increase. It indicates that there can be no probability which gives us the decrease for both companies. So for this part, we can exclude this one, and the remaining portion will be our answer. So what we can do is we can do it in two ways. We can at first subtract from 1 0.11, as that is the only one which shows both decreasing. So we have there 0.89, and we can also find it out by adding the other ones, because that the other probabilities like this one, and this one shows there are at least one share is in one stock price in increasing, or both are increasing. So we can also add them up to get the solution. So 0.38 plus, oh, this is the alternative form, plus 0.16 plus 0.35, and we'll also end up with 0.89, which is our desired answer.